afternoon everybody. So start tayo ng ating discussion for this afternoon. So wait lang hindi ko ma-capture yung window ko. Wait lang po. Okay, open ko lang muna siya saglit. So okay, so teka lang. Ayun, okay. So, start na tayo ng ating discussion for today. Good afternoon, class. Hindi ko alam kung nasan yung tsura ko. Teka lang, ha? Ayan. So, ito. Paliliit-liitan ko lang para magkasya ako dito sa screen para alam na nagdi-discuss naman ako. At ako talaga yung boses ng discussion nitong afternoon na to. Tapos okay, so today guys, our lesson is all about introduction to quality. So, sabi nga, quality is the ability of a product and service to consistently meet or exceed customer expectation. So, pag sinabi natin quality, meaning to say, yung mga consumers o yung mga customers or buyers ng isang product, they are expecting that the product that they will bought or purchase has quality or has able to undergo through a certain inspection or category. So let's start with the evolution of quality. So industrial revolution is a smaller job, more specialization, and less responsible for final product. So when industrial revolution began in 17th century and in early 1900, there is no product inspection. Walang ganon. So, nag-focus ang Industrial Revolution on producing product without quality management, no? So, walang mga engineering to inspect the product safety, walang engineering to inspect whether the product is has quality or quantity or assurance with the customers. Early 1900s, guys, inintroduce ni Frederick Winslow Taylor yung tinatawag nating product inspection. So, sabi niya sa isang manufacturing company, kailangan magkaroon ng product inspection or engineers who will be inspecting the product for assurance of the product before it is being sold to the market, no? Or to the target market. Tapos, nung early 1924, sabi ni W. Shewhart, one of the greatest contributors in organizational management, sabi niya kailangan magkaroon ng statistical control chart. So, gumawa ng statistical control chart sa production line management para ma-secure o ma-secure natin yung mga product na ilalabas natin sa manufacturing company. In 1930, dito na Ah, dito na lumabas yung theory naman ni H.F. Dodge and H.G. Roaming of Bell Lab, no? Ang sabi niya, kailangan daw magkaroon ng acceptance sampling. So, bago tayo mag-produce ng product, bago tayo mag-start na gumawa ng product, kailangan ng sampling muna para ma-sure natin yung quality ng product. Example na itong sampling na to, no? Yung nilalabas ngayon na vaccine, hindi pa talaga siya 100% sure kasi hindi pa siya dumaan sa tinatawag nating 100% quality assured, no? Nag-undergo pa lang siya sa tinatawag nating sampling. Kaya yung mga dumarating dito na vaccine, no, sample pa lang yan. Kumukuha pa lang sila ng sample, tapos ini-inject sa mga tao para masubukan nila o matest yung product, whether the product is effective or not. So, kapag nasa sampling stage, ang pinag-usapan natin dyan is yung effectivity. No, wala pa yung tinatawag nating quality assurance. Wala pang mga label na ganon. Noong World War II, nag-start na yung statistical method and it becomes more widely accepted in the organizations and the manufacturing company, especially the statistical sampling technique. So, itong statistical sampling technique, usually ganito to kukuha ka gagawa ng product mo, isa-sample mo siya sa 100 persons, 200 or 1,000 person. Tapos, after nun, may mga questions na kailangan masagot for standard, no? Example, no, yung vaccine natin ngayon. So, yung mga nararamdaman ng mga taong na vaksinan na. So, kasama siya dun sa statistical sampling designs or sampling techniques na tinatawag natin. During 1950s, quality assurance and statistical quality control method introduced to the Japanese by William Edward Deming. So, as we all know, or you didn't know yet, no? William Edward Deming is the father of total quality management. One of his concept is the cost of quality concept. Also, concept din ni Joseph Juran, no? At saka yung tinatawag nating total quality control, including the product design, materials, and so on and so forth, by Arman Fengbaum. Okay? Sila yung tatlong pinaka-importanteng tao sa TQM. So, si Edward Deming, he was the one who introduced TQM. Si Joseph Juran, he was the one who contributed the cost quality concept. At si Fengbaum, siya naman yung total quality control. By 1960s, in-name nila yung tinatawag nating zero defects. Pero naka-emphasize siya sa leadership and employee performance. Ang nag-contribute naman yan ay si Philip Crosby. Noong 1970s, dito lumabas yung quality assurance method throughout the entire process, no, by Philip Crosby again. Sabi nga ay quality. Pero ano nga ba yung quality? So, what is it, no? Quality is the degree of excellence of a thing. Yan yung meaning niya sa Webster Dictionary. Pag sinabi daw quality, kung gaano daw kaganda daw yung product. Meaning to say, it focuses on the word excellence. Excellence of a thing. The total quality of features and characteristics has to satisfy the needs. At sino yung may needs neto? Ito yung mga consumers o tayong mga bumibili. For American Society of Quality Control or ASQ, fitness for consumer use is to meet or exceed customer expectation. So, pag bumili daw tayo ng product or pag nag-produce ang isang manufacturing company ng product, dapat daw ma-meet niya yung tinatawag na expectation ng mga mamimili niya. Hindi lang basta-basta ma-meet, no? Dapat ma-satisfy na or mapawaw yung mga customers niya. Example, pag naririnig niyo yung salitang Mercedes-Benz, ibig sabihin quality yung product, no? Kasi mamahalin yung produkto na to eh. Diba? Ito yung mga gawang Germany, Mercedes-Benz. Pag sinabi naman natin Hyundai, quality din yung product because it is Japan made. Pero usually, pag Japan made, Japan cars, maliliit na cars lang sila. They are not big cars. Katulad netong Mercedes-Benz na standard size siya. We also have Porsche. Pag sinabi namang Porsche, nasa utak na natin, ito yung mga luxury car. And then the Beetles, no? Pag sinabi nating Beetles, ito yung mga pabilog na sasakyan. Small cars, pero pabilog na sasakyan. These are German cars. And as we all know, these are the following products with already that do already have, name established in the manufacturing business. The Hyundai, Mercedes, Porsche, and Beetles. No, we also have Toyota. What else? We also have nakalimutan ko na iba eh. Pero one of the famous in terms of car is Ford and Toyota. No? Nakapag tawag dito, nabanggit yung ganung pangalan lang, no? Iba yung nasa utak ng mamimili. Next, we have quality, dimensions of quality. So, ano ba yung mga dimensions ng quality, no? So, example, no, sa Porsche, no? Yung performance niya, performance refers to the characteristics of products and services. Ano ba yung character ng Porsche? Example, no, Porsche, no? Ano ba yung performance niya? Ano ba yung character niya? So, pag sumakay ka sa Porsche, mabilis ba siya? Pag sumakay ka ba sa Porsche, smooth ba yung pagdra-drive mo ng sasakyan or something? Next, when we say aesthetics, this refers to the appearance, feel, smell, and taste of the product. Example, no, Porsche. Kapag nakakarinig tayo ng Porsche or nakakita tayo ng Porsche, syempre, nasa utak natin na maganda yung itsura niya. Usually, ang mga Porsche na sasakyan is yung mga lowered na sasakyan. And they are considered as luxury car. Next, special features. These are extra characteristics or special characteristics of the product. So, pag sinabi nating Porsche, again, ano ba yung special characteristics na itong product na ito aside from being a luxury car? So, it is fully automatic. Next, we have conformance. So, these are customer expectation. So, whenever a certain customer, seek and look or estimate something to buy or wanted to buy. For example, I wanted to buy Porsche, no? One of my expectation is that Porsche is a good car. Kaya siya mahal kasi good car siya. Everything is good. The tires is good, the chassis, what else? The computer box inside the car. It is fully automatic, the mapping and so on and so forth, no? And then, safety. This refers to the risk of injury or harm. Okay, before ka bumili ng sasakyan, i-demo sa'yo kung ano yung safety ng sasakyan. Safety feature ng sasakyan. Siya ba ay merong air balloon? Ano ba? Siya ba ay may magandang brake? No? And so on and so forth. Next, we have reliability. This refers to the consistency of performance. Okay? So, pag sinabing reliability, kahit saan ka bumili ng sasakyan, basta Porsche, no? Consistent yung mga product niya, even the tornillos niya, no? Isa lang yung supplier nila. At isa pa, kung sakaling magkaroon ng aberya tong Porsche na to, meron siyang warranty. Pwede mo siyang ibalik dun sa pinagbilihan mo. Next, durability. This refers to the useful life of the product or service. No? Usually, ang sasakyan, pag lumabas na yan sa kasa o ginamit mo na, depreciated na yung price niyan. So, kapag bumili ka ng sasakyan, ang kanyang durability or ang kanyang useful life lang is 5 years to 10 years. After that, pwede mo na siyang itapon kasi lumalabas na yung mga sakit ng sasakyan. After 5 years, no? 5 years or 10 years. Kasi naluluma ang sasakyan. No? And then, we have perception or reputation. So, ano ba ang perception natin sa Porsche? So, these are high-end cars. They already have good reputation. in terms of manufacturing the product cars. Next, we have service after sale. So, this refers to handling of complaint and customer satisfaction. So, service after sale, dito na lumalabas yung warranty. So, pag halimbawa nagkaroon ng aberya, no, dahil siya ay luxury car, madali mo siyang maibabalik dun sa manufacturer mo. So, guaranteed din yung satisfaction nung mga buyer ng Porsche na to. Same as, example, no, same as Toyota. Kasi, pag sinabi natin Toyota, ito yung mga sasakyan na maraming pyesa, ano, masira man sila, madaling mapapalitan ng pyesa at saka hindi ganun kamahal. So, yun yung service, yun yung tawag nating cost conformance. May customer expectation ka na agad. At saka meron na rin siyang magandang perception or reputation para sa customer mo. So, example of quality dimension. So, we have the performance, no? These are product or automobile. Performance refers to everything works, fit, handling, grade of materials, and use. This also refers to the service, auto repair, all work done at agreed price, friendliness, courtesy, competency, and quickness. Next, aesthetics. Aesthetics refers to the interior design, soft touch, okay, and service for service auto repair, no, it must be it comes up always with a clean work and waiting area, no. Next, we have special features. One of the special features of the product Porsche also has gauge control, CD player, cell phone holder, and so on and so forth, no. For auto repair, the location, call when ready computer diagnosis. No, it also had anti-lock, brakes, airbags, and for service auto repair, it has separate waiting area. Next, for reliability, no, kunwari do sa Porsche, no, it has frequency of breakdown, and for service auto repair, work done when promised. Next, we have the durability, useful life in miles, resistance, and rust, and corrosion. So, for service and auto repair, it works hold up to overtime. So, very durable daw siya, sabi. Next, we have the perceived quality. These are top-rated cars, no? And for auto service repair, it is award-winning car. Next, we have service after sale. This refers to the handling complaints, requests, and information. For service auto repair, handling of complaint is very excellent. Next, the determinant of quality. No, we have quality of design. Quality of design refers to the intention of designer to include and exclude features in a product and service designed to meet your customer client need, wants, and requirements. It represent an inherent value of products or service in marketplace. So, ano ba ibig sabihin nito? So, sa quality design, makikita natin kung yung mga features ba ay namimit ba nung manufacturer yung gusto talaga ng mga kliyente niya. Dito na pumapasok yung need and wants requirements. Sabi nga, poor design can result to manufacturing or service problem. So, pag pangit yung design, no, very costly yan para sa mga manufacturer, no. Kasi, pangit yung design, wala masyadong bibili ng product mo. Pangit yung design, no, walang magtitiwala dun sa product mo. Next, we have customer disapproval, no. Pag hindi gusto yung design ng product, hindi na-meet yung design ng product, hindi na-meet yung gusto ni customer, syempre, pumapasok dyan yung tinatawag natin customer disapproval. Aayawan ni customer yung produkto mo. Example, no? Yung mga China product. Okay? Yung mga China product, maganda sila. Oo, maganda. Kailangan ng mga customer, no? Yung mga China cellphone, example. Pero, meron silang poor design. Ano yung poor design? Yung China product, kapag ginamit mo, nawawala ng signal. Tapos, kadalasan, ayaw din sila ni customer, kaya may customer disapproval. Kasi nga, dahil hindi sila original, no? Nawawala ng signal. Useless lang yung paggamit mo ng product. Useless lang yung pagbili mo. So, nasayang yung pera sa pagbili ng mga ganong klaseng product. Next, quality conformance. No, this is the degree to which the goods and service conform to the intent of the designer. No, meaning to say, it requires customer education, awareness as to the intended use of products and services. Another example, no, yung mga China product. Wala yang, hindi sa paninira, no, wala yang quality conformance. Alam niyo kung bakit? Kasi kadalasan na binibili niyong product, no, halimbawa, bumili ka ng charger. Yung charger, wala siyang tinatawag na requires customer education and awareness to the intended use of products and service. Hindi itinuturo, ganito gagamitin yan, ha. Hindi itinuturo. Hindi nakalagay doon sa products and service nung nabili niyo yung China product na basta China, halimbawa, China na charger, hindi nakalagay doon kung ilang watts na yon, ilang voltage na yon. Kaya nga sabi dito, example, electrical requirements, medication instruction, and attorney device. So, kadalasan ng China product, hindi natin alam kung siya ba ay 5 volts, 10 volts, or hindi, kasi yung kanyang yung packaging hindi nakalagay doon eh. No, hindi nakalagay doon kung paano mo gagamitin na maayos. Isa pa, hindi nakalagay doon kung siya ay may warranty or wala. Kadalasan, pag bumili ka sa mga ordinaryong tindahan lang na walang warranty, ang warranty lang daw nila ay 7 days. After that, wala na. No? Pwede na itapon yung product. Next, quality. Kung makikita natin dito, ito yung fitness for consumer use. Ito yung design na diagram niya. Quality, this is quality. So, we have the producer's perspective when we also have the consumer's perspective. So, dalawa yan. Sa green na boxes, kung mapapansin nyo, pag sinabi nating producer's perspective, this refers to the quality of conformance. Conformance to specification. So, ito, yung characteristics ng product. Para masabi mong quality, yung characteristics ng product yung focus niya. And also for the cost. Para makapag-produce ka ng product. Next, pag sinabi naman natin consumer's perspective, ito yung para sa mga bumibili ng produkto. Gusto nila quality of design. Siyempre, dapat makikita yung aesthetics or dimension at saka yung price ng product. This is for marketing purpose, no? Pero sa quality, sa producer's perspective, no? Aside from the characteristics and conformance of the product, nagtutugma ang quality ng producers at saka consumer's perspective sa fitness for consumer use. Paano nga ba gagamitin, di ba? So, dito nagkakatalo eh. Sa quality. Example, no? Bibili ka ng iPhone. Producer's perspective, maganda yung kanilang specification, maganda yung camera nila, maganda lahat. Ito yung sa production. Pero, sa marketing, no? Consumer's perspective, ang gusto ng consumer ay hindi lang maganda. Kundi maganda din yung presyo. So, paano mo siya paano natin siya i-market? Paano mag-a-align yung dalawa, producer and consumer? Syempre, kailangan kung quality ang aim ng isang product, kailangan fit for consumer use. So, dapat nagagamit at maayos na magagamit ng mga prospective buyer niya. Okay, example, no? So, quality, paano nga ba natin siya i-assess kung quality talaga siya? Mercedes-Benz, check, may quality siya because of the name itself, conformance, characteristics, and so on and so forth. Same as Hyundai, same as Porsche and Beetles. Okay, next. The consequences of poor quality. Paano naman daw pag poor quality naman daw yung product? Unang-una, loss of business. Pag nawalan na ng kumpiyansa yung mga consumer mo na maganda yung product mo, masisira yung business mo, mawawala ka sa industry, mawawala ka sa market. Number 2, liability. Kapag hindi maganda yung product mo, laging nasisira o sayang lang sa pera, so liability mo siya, no? Kahit mag-produce ng product, kung wala namang bibili sa'yo, liability. Next, productivity. Kapag maganda yung product mo, syempre, maganda yung pag-produce mo ng product. The more na marami kang pwedeng i-produce na product. Pero pag pangit, syempre, hindi ka makapag-produce ng product na maramihan. Kasi wala ka naman bebentahan. Number 4, cost. Pag may quality o yung product mo, kahit mahal pa yung cost niya, bibiliin yan. Pero pag poor quality, magagastosan ka lang sa pag-produce ng product, hindi mo mauubos yung produkto mo. Sabi nga, failure will occur. The prevailing quality philosophy is that prevention is better than cure for quality problems. An ounce of prevention is worth pound of cure. So, kung ikaw ay gagawa ng isang product, kailangan laging may quality para hindi nasasakripisyo yung productivity, hindi nasasayang yung pera, at hindi mo rin siya liability. Okay? So, next, cost of quality. When considering the cost of quality, we must consider failure cost. Diba? Failure cost is caused by defective parts, products, and faulty service. Sa isang produkto, kadalasan, laging may failure. Hindi naman yan 100%. No? Pag halimbawa, na-produce ka ng product, hindi siya 100% perfect. So, dapat alam mo yung failure cost na yan. At meron yan dalawang category, internal and external failure. So, meron tayong failure discovered during the production. Ito yung internal cost. Kapag ang failure ay during the production, siya yung internal. Example, no? Rework, problems, material, product losses, downtime. Pag ang failure ay naganap sa loob ng manufacturing, halimbawa, nakagawa ng computer. Pero paglabas ng computer mo, o nung naibenta mo na, hindi naman gumagana, yun ay internal cost. No? Internal. So, doon pa lang sa loob ng manufacturing, hindi na siya maganda, internal siya. Next, external cost. External cost failure discovered after the delivery. Okay? So, halimbawa, bumili ka ng, nagbenta ka ng product, no? Naka-consumer na yung product, tapos, hindi pala gumagana, no? Yun ay external cost. O, biglang, may sira pala. Nung una, gumagana, pero after 1 week, biglang namatay na, hindi na gumagana, yun ay external cost. Example, warranty, return goods, liability claims, and penalties. Next, we have appraisal cost. Appraisal cost refers to the cost of activity designed to ensure quality or uncover defects. Example, line inspection, final inspection, field testing, crash test, dummies, and crumpled cars. Ito yung appraisal cost. Ano nga ba yung appraisal cost? Ito yung activity para ma-ensure natin yung quality or uncover defects. No? Ito na yung pag-inspection natin sa quality, field testing, di ba? Sa mga sasakyan, may mga crumpled cars, crash test dummies, no? Appraisal cost nga yan. So, bago magkaroon ng magandang presyo yung isang bagay, no? Kailangan dumaan siya sa tatawag nating testing para magkaroon siya ng worth. No? At yung testing na ginawa natin, siya ay part ng appraisal cost. Next, we have prevention cost. Cost refers to preventing defect from occurring. Example, training, working with vendors, quality control procedure, quality improvement program, extra attention to design and production. So, itong prevention course, ito yung training na kadalasan, no, ginagawa natin sa mga company at ang kadalasang nag-undergo dito yung mga engineers and production line managers para ma-ensure na 100% tama yung gagawin nila. So, dito na pumapasok yung quality control procedure, quality improvement program, retention, design and production, and so on and so forth. So, cost pa rin siya. Next, we have the quality gurus. Sino ba yung mga magagaling na tao sa TQM? So, we have number 1, William Edward Deming. He introduces the 14 points prescription of quality. Number 2, we have Joseph N. Juran. He stressed out the stress management method. We also have Armand Fengbaum. One of his theory is quality of total field for customers. We also have here Philip Crosby. One of his theory focus on quality is free and zero defects. Sabi ni Philip Crosby, dapat daw zero defects daw ang lahat ng bagay. We also have Kaoru Ishikawa, quality circles and problem solving methods. We also have Genichi Taguchi, cause of poor quality, robust product design. No? But overall, no, so overall na tawag dito na goal nila is continual improvement, management method, total quality, quality circles, and product designs. So these are the following things. Deming 14 points. The first point of Edward Deming is create constancy of purpose. So, sabi niya, dapat daw, kapag daw nasa manufacturing tayo, dapat daw constant daw yung pinoproduce nating product. Example, no, sa Jollibee, no, magluluto tayo ng spaghetti. Yung lasa niya dapat constant. Kahit saan ka bumiling Jollibee, isa lang yung lasa niya. Constancy of purpose. Number 2, adopt philosophy of prevention. So, kailangan alam natin yung prevention is always better than cure. So, ano ba ibig sabihin nito? So, kailangan alam natin mag-sanitize, no? Especially pag food handler ka, sanitation is a must. Alam natin kung paano natin lilinisin yung mga food natin, especially sa mga food handlers, no? Or, for example, ikaw ay nasa manufacturing company. Prevention is better than cure. So, dapat alam mo kung ano yung mga safety measurement, no, ng products. At dapat meron kang warranty. So, lagi mong lalaki pa ng warranty yung mga produktong binibenta mo. Number 3, CIS-MAS inspection. So, sa CIS-MAS inspection, this refers to the process wherein you are going to re-inspect or inspect the following products that you are going to manufacture. So, paano ba to? I-eliminate natin yung mga product na may defects dun sa mga magagandang product. So, how are we going to know na maganda yung product? So, meron tayong mga tawag dito category, may mga weight tayo, at meron tayong checklist para masabi natin na okay yung product. Number 4, select few suppliers based on quality. So, example, no, sa mga food handlers, restaurants, so dapat meron tayong iisang supplier lang, hindi pwedeng marami tayong suppliers para ma-achieve natin yung tinatawag nating constancy. Number 5, constantly improve system and workers. So, paano nga ba natin mai-improve yung mga workers natin? It is through education and training. And of course, together with the motivation. No? It can either be non-monetary or monetary motivation. Number 6, institute worker training. So, worker training should be instituted in every department of the organization monthly, quarterly, and annually for improvement purpose. Number 7, instill leadership among supervisors. So, kung kukuha tayo ng supervisor in the organization or in the manufacturing company someday, we have to instill them the leadership roles that we wanted in the organization. So, dapat magaling silang leader. Depende, no, kung ano klaseng leadership or organization ang may establish natin. Number 8, eliminate fear among employees. So, paano ba ma-eliminate yung fear among employees? You have to hire a good leaders or a good manager. If you are, for example, the owner of the business, you have to know that, no? Paano pa ma-eliminate yung fear? Constant communication with employees in order for them to have to have an education regarding what you wanted in the organization, no? Isa pa, in order for them to have to empower themselves also, because if they are in the organization with no leaders or people managing them and empowering them, no, hindi gagana yung, hindi magkakaroon ng magandang harmonious environment sa isang organization. Number 9, eliminate barriers between department. Okay, so how are you going to eliminate barriers between department? So, ito yung constant harmonious communication, di ba? Number 10, eliminate slogan. So, eliminate natin yung mga slogan sa mga departments natin. Number 11, remove numerical quotas. This is very important. If you are, for example, in the manufacturing company, para ma-remove mo o para magkaroon ka ng tinatawag nating quality sa service or product na gagawin mo, i-remove natin yung quota. Kasi itong quota na to, nagmamadali yung mga tao ma-produce yung product para lang ma-meet nila yung salary nila No, halimbawa Pacquiao, no, nagmamadali silang gawin yung ginagawa nila para ma-meet nila yung standard number na kailangan nilang ma-meet yung requirement. No, example, no, nagpapagawa halimbawa ako ng bahay, no, sabi ko Pacquiao. Pag sinabing Pacquiao, bahala na dyan yung mga worker, basta matapos nila yung gagawin nila. Pero may specific amount lang ako na babayaran. So, dahil sa nagmamadali sila, no, na matapos yung gagawin nila, hindi nila natapos ng maayos. Ito yung remove numerical quota. Number 12, enhance worker pride. So, how are you going to enhance worker pride? You're going to motivate them. You're going to continuous communicate with them para magkaroon ng harmonious environment within the organization, because one of the key for good leadership and organization is harmonious communication. Number 13, institute vigorous training and education program. So, institute training program in every department in order for them to have a knowledge, no, and in order for them to become competent in their workplace. Number 14, implement 13 points. You have to implement this all, no, in order for you to achieve the quality standards, no. So, ano ba yung mga quality awards natin? So, first, we have the Malcolm Baldrige Award. Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award is a centerpiece of Baldrige National Quality Program. This award, which since 1988 has been presented annually by the President to recognize performance excellence, focus on the organization overall performance management system. It does not certify product or quality. So, sa Malcolm Baldrige Award, ang focus nito is more on employee relation and leadership, no? So, this is implemented all over the Europe and United States. Dito rin sa Pilipinas, we are adopting the Malcolm Baldrige Award. So, for businesses, no, na inclusion, Included for the Baldrige Award is the manufacturing companies or subsidiaries that produce and sell manufactured products and manufacturing processes or produce agricultural, mining, and construction product. So, sila yung may kategoring Malcolm Baldrige Award. The major characteristic of Malcolm Baldrige winner are companies, organizations who have formulated a vision of what they thought quality is and how they would achieve it. So, sa Malcolm Baldrige Award, tinitignan yung kanilang VMGO, Vision, Mission, Goal, and Objective. And if ever that this vision, mission is already aligned with their tawag nating goal, no? Number 2, senior management involvement. So, in the organization, we have the divisions, no? So, kailangan involved daw si senior managers at yung owner of the business as leader of the organization in order for them to meet the standard of the Baldrige Award. Number 3, carefully planned and organized their quality effort to be sure it would be effectively initiated. So, sa Malcolm Baldrige Award, tinitignan din yung kanilang planning design and organization design in order for them to achieve the quality effort, no? And then we have the number 5, vigorously controlled the overall process. So, dapat may checklist to para pag chinek yung mga Baldrige winner, no? Makikita dyan na yung produkto at yung kanilang organization is producing quality service, not only for the performance of the people involved in the organization, but as well as in their products. The Baldrige criteria of performance excellence is updated every year to provide system perspective of understanding performance management. Ibig sabihin, yearly, ina-update siya. They reflected validating leading edge management practice against which an organization can measure itself with their acceptance, nationally and internationally as model of performance excellence. So, this is applied internationally and domestic, no, or nationally. The criteria is represented among common language for communication among organization for sharing best practice. So, yung mga criteria nito ay iisa lang po among the organization who is engaged or who is already belong with the Malcolm Baldrige category. The criteria are also based on the Malcolm Baldrige National Quality Award process. The criteria includes leadership, strategic planning, customer, market focus, information, analysis of human resource development and management process, and management and business result. So, meaning to say, yung Malcolm Baldrige Award is more on performance and excellence award, wherein it is focused on the leadership. It is also focused on the owner of the business, who are considered as senior leaders of the company, the human resource people, because they are the following people who develop and train people in the organization, and also the most important thing is the market, no? So, yan tayo. So, paano ba natin masasabi yung leadership? So, leadership, this is the organization of leadership system in the organization wherein you belong, and also the senior leader and personal leadership. Next, we also have strategic planning. This is how the organization set strategic direction, and this refers also to the development of critical strategies and action plan of the company. We also have the market and customer focus. This refers to the company who will determine requirements and expectation, and also the preference of customer and their markets. So, kung gusto mo nang manalo ng Malcolm Baldrige Award, syempre, kailangan mag-focus tayo dito sa leadership, strat plan, at sa inyong customer, no? Next, we also have information analysis. This refers to the selection, management, effectiveness of use of information. We also have data support, key company process, action plan, and company performance management system. Next, we have the human resource focus. This refers to the company that enables the employee to develop and utilize their full potential aligned with the customer objective by means of training and education of the employee. Next, we also have the project management. This refers to the key process on how it is designed, implemented, managed, and improved. And then, we have business result. The organization performance improvement is the key in business area. So, next award is the Deming Prize. The Deming Prize is the Union of Japanese Scientists and Engineers, or JUSE, invited by Dr. William Edward Deming to Japan in July 1950. He held a series of lecture seminars during which he taught the basic principles of statistical quality control to executive manager and engineers of Japanese industry. His teaching made a deep impression of participants' minds, provided great impetus in implementing quality control in Japan. So, itong Deming Prize, Deming Prize ay ito yung union na ginawa ni Dr. Edward Deming during the Japanese era, no? After the World War II, July 1950. In appreciation with the JUSE, created a prize to commemorate Dr. Deming contribution and friendship, and also to promote continued development of quality control in Japan. The prize was established in 1950, and annual awards are still given each and every year in Japan. So, these are industrial regional company awards. So, we have the Institute of Industrial Engineers, no? So, yung mga electrical engineers, mechanical engineers, no? The NASA and the European Quality Award. Next, we have the quality certifications like ISO, yung International Organization Standard. The purpose of this ISO is to promote worldwide standard that improve the operating efficiency, improve quality, and reduce costs. This is truly international scope. This certification required by many foreign firms. So, kung ang pinoproduce nyo ay pang-export, kailangan meron siyang ISO standard. So, meron tayong mga series ng ISO, no? So, we have ISO 9000 series, or the Quality Management Assurance. We have the ISO 9001, Suppliers and Designer. We also have ISO 9002 for production, ISO 9003 Inspection and Test, and ISO 9004 for Quality Management. We also have ISO 14000 Environmental Performance. So, these are the series of ISO, no? Para saan ba yung ISO? These are international standard, no? Na para ma-prove na yung produkto mo ay quality talaga. Pero ito ay for foreign firms lang, or international company who is exporting their products abroad. So, meron niya series, no? 9001, 9002, 9003, 9004, and 14000. So, yung mga ISO accreditation, we also have the European registration. These are third-party registrar assess quality program for European conformity and mark as CE mark authorized, no? Meron naman din tayong United States third party registrar. So, para ma-accredit tayo ng ISO, so we have the European at saka United States, no? So, sa European, meron tayong CE or European Conformity. For US, we have the American National Standard Institute or ANSI. Meron din tayong American Society of Quality Control, ASQ, and meron tayong Registrar Quality Accreditation Board or RAB. No? So, yan yung maiko-comply mo. Sabi nga, quality is not something you inspect into a product or service. It is the result of mental attitude of a person who is producing or delivering products and service. Either you have the mental attitude or you do not. If you do not, you can be trained to have it. Some people choose to, some people choose to, some do not. At any rate, in your business career, it will be easy to spot those who have it and those who not. You will know it when you see it there by Hodge 1998. So, ano ba ibig sabihin nito, no? Yung quality daw, ito daw yung isang bagay na hindi mo na kailangang i-inspect sa mga workers mo. Sabi nga, it is a result of mental attitude of a person. Bakit? Kung yung hinar mong tao ay motivated, gagawin niya yung tama. He will do the right thing. 'Di ba? And he will do the right thing. Doing the right thing and doing the things right. At gagawa siya ng tama. He will produce and deliver a product service in the right manner. No? Hindi siya magiging liability ng company pagkos siya ay magiging asset ng company. Sabi nga, yung quality ay mental attitude. Mental attitude ng mga taong nagtatrabaho sa'yo. O mental attitude na nagtatrabaho sa isang manufacturing or isang organizations. Yung mental attitude na yon ay nadidevelop because the organization trained them, the organization empowered them to do the right thing. May mga ibang tao na they choose to do it at the right way and at the right time. Pero may mga ibang tao naman they didn't want or they did not choose to do it, no? Meron din namang mapalpak. Pero at any rate or at any reason, 'di ba? Hindi mo malalaman na may quality or quality yung ginagawa ninyo kung wala ka dun sa organization, no? Tulad nito, no, pinag-aralan natin yung total quality management. Hindi natin malalaman yung importance ng quality kung wala tayo doon sa organization. Hindi natin malalaman yung importance ng quality kung hindi tayo gumagamit ng product na may quality. 'Di ba? Sabi nga, total quality management refers to the quest of quality that the organization involves in everyone in the organization, and there are two key philosophy: continual improvement and customer satisfaction. So, organization, no, hindi sila basta-basta nag-i-stick sa isang bagay. So, kailangan nila ng customer satisfaction. That's why they have the feedback form. And kailangan nila ng continual improvement. That's why they have continuous training and education. So, TQM may be defined as managing the entire organization so that it excel on all dimension of products and service that is important to the customer, like marketing and sales, and research and development, engineering, purchasing, personnel management, packing, storing, shipping, and customer service. Sabi nga dito, total quality management is a very, very broad broad concept rooted in the Deming philosophy. So, si Deming talaga yung nag-start netong total quality management. So, sabi niya dapat sa each and every department ng kumpanya merong quality. Para pag nilabas natin yung product, quality siya, no? It involves the following concepts. Like, determine what is customer or what customer target wants. Dapat alam mo yung gusto nila. Next, design a product that meet and exceed wants and make it easy to produce and easy to use. So, kapag gumawa daw tayo ng product, dapat easy to use siya. At yung tawag dito, yung product na yun, dapat gusto ng mga customer natin. Design a production process to do it right for the first time. So, kapag gumawa ka daw ng isang bagay, kailangan unang beses mo pa lang siyang gagawin, tama na. May quality daw yun. Next, quality result and the use of them for future improvement, and then continuous improvement. Get a little better each day. And then we have the benchmarking. These are things that can be learned those who do it the best. And then employee empowerment, responsibility, authority at source. We also have team approach, spirit of cooperation, shared problem solving, and decision based on facts. So bago daw tayo mag-decide ng isang bagay, dapat daw based on facts siya at hindi daw yung opinion, no? Dapat yung katotohanan lang. And then the knowledge of quality tools, methodologies like supplier quality, make vendor part of your team. So for this, we will just continue our discussion by next meeting so that we could have, a rest naman para makapagbalik-balik tayo doon sa mga diniscuss natin. Hindi natin siya agad-agad makalimutan. So, see you again next week and goodbye.